Okay, kids, this is Mrs. Bloom. I've got our rocks in our tumbler. It's about half full. I've got my grit. I'm going to pour it into our tumbler, just like that. And then I'm going to fill it up with water. Okay, I've got 2 cups of water in here. I'm going to pour it over them, see how much water it takes to get to the top of the rocks. Just about 1.5 cups. Okay. Now we're going to take our little plunger, put it on the top. It's kind of like our watertight seal. Push it down in there. Really good. There it is. Unscrew this top. Add our middle part to the top of that. And push it down really good. And then I'm going to screw the top of that down. It's going to keep going and going and going. There it goes, all the way down. Nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to place the barrel on the tumbler. Okay, so I'm assuming it goes somewhat like that, so it can spin freely on the tumbler. Then I'm going to select 3 days. I've got 3 days selected on the tumbler. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little 3 on there. And let's see. We're going to basically just do this for 3 days, and until we see that all of the sharp edges are kind of abrasively removed from the outside of the rocks. So look at our little timetable here. It says grit 1, speed 3, 3 to 5 days until the stones have lost all their sharp edges and feel smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and set this for days. Let me change that to 1, 2, 3 days. And there it goes. It started turning. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. There it goes. And we're going to check this in 3 days and see how it's doing. And if you guessed more than 3 days, then you're probably on the right track.